Hey there, welcome back. So today we will discuss about sets, and when compared to list, definitely the usage of set is comparatively low in the world of programming, and there are few properties of set. These properties are, firstly, set doesn't allow duplicate values, which is good definitely. Moving forward, you can either iterate through set in order to retain the information, or you can decide or you can check whether the specific element is there in the set or not. There is no index value. We won't be able to retrieve a specific value directly from set. So that's little different. Moreover, the sequence in which the set information is stored when it comes to hash set, it's not constant. In few situations, the sequence of the information which is stored in set may differ. So there are few things, but in order to show you how exactly set works, how exactly a set is, definitely we need to open Eclipse, and here is Eclipse, here is our class app. So let's create a set. Now friends, the declaration of set is pretty simple. I will type in set, then we need to provide the type. The type to start with, let's take it as string, and moving forward, the name of the set could be like set, and we will make use of hash set. Now when it comes to sets, the most frequent type of set which is used in the world of programming is hash set. Alright, now let us quickly add in the required package. Here we go. And definitely we will also check the other type of sets as well, so don't worry about it. Let's add couple of entries in here. Alright, so in here I will type in set.add. To start with, let's add the name as Chand. Let me copy this line of code and I will paste it couple of times. Alright, so let me update couple of entries in here. The second occurrence could be like John, then for example Afia, then it could be like Arman, then maybe Mia, and finally let us keep Chand once again. So there are two occurrences of my name in this set. Alright, so in here we will type in for, and we will make use of the for each loop. The temporary variable name would be, for example, name, and we will iterate over set. So this looks good to me, and inside this for each loop we will print the name. Pretty simple, right? And now if I execute the program, here is the output, and there are a couple of things which we can see in this output. First thing is that the multiple entry of Chand is removed and only one and unique entry of Chand has been kept in this output, which is cool. And the second thing is note and check the sequence. As I have already specified that the sequence of the output may not be constant every time, and it might change time to time. So in here, the first element which was added was my name, then the second element was John, but in output the second element is showing Mia. But definitely it's an property of set, and sets are usually more memory efficient when compared to list. Alright, so if I, for example, rerun this program, then the output may change and might not change as well. So it depends, right? So this is good enough, and in place of second occurrence of Chand, if I change the case, definitely we would be able to see Chand twice now, because the name Chand has two occurrences but the case are not same. So definitely when it comes to string, sets are case sensitive. And moving forward, let me show you one small little thing. We won't be able to retrieve a specific name from this set, as there is no get method available to us. So in here, if I type in set dot and check what are the available methods to us, there is no get method. But definitely we can do one thing. We can make use of this contains method and pass in maybe my name Chand, and if there is a occurrence of this string in this set, then definitely we would be able to understand whether it contains the information or not. How we will get to know? It will return true because Chand name is available in the set. Let me pass in, for example, 1 in here. Then what would be the output? Definitely 1 is not available in the set, and 1 is also integer. The output would be false. Alright, so this is a quick overview on sets, and usually the usage of sets is pretty low. Thanks for watching and take care.